As a day trader, you must have a mind of your own. I know you started off in a community and it's hard for you to think for yourself. Even after 1 or 2 years of trading, you still feel the need for someone to confirm your analysis. You still feel the need to be in a community so someone else can think what you're thinking and you guys can enter a trade together. You need ideas from other people. That's not bad. There's nothing wrong with actually getting a second opinion from someone you trust. But at the end of the day, everyone is just speculating. No one really knows what's going to happen. So if you already have a system that you trust and you have an analysis, it's okay to find, maybe 1 or 2 opinions about your trade. But if you are confident in that trade and someone tells you, no, that's not going to happen, and then you do something called a reanalysis, you check your trade again, and it still makes sense to you, you're going to have to ignore what those people are saying and trust your guts. Trust your guts all the time and make decisions for yourself. Because the worst thing that can happen is changing your mind because someone says it's not going to play out, and at the end of the day, the trade ends up playing out and you win. You missed out on so much just from listening to that person. So you want to learn to think for yourself. If you're not yet confident in your own strategy, you might want to backtest it. Maybe the past year, look at how the market has performed. Do a good backtest. Take your notes into a journal and see how your strategy has performed. Know how many trades you can lose in a row. Know how many trades you can win in a row. Just look at how your strategy has performed in the past and develop confidence from that trading forward. So learn to think for yourself. Don't rely on other people. Don't rely on signals. Don't rely on your mental signals, especially when you already know what you're doing, because it's really gonna slow your learning curve. You want to break that barrier and start to be confident in your own trade. So self-confidence is very, very important with trading, and always trust your guts and never rely on anybody else to, because in this trading industry or community, whatever it is you want to call it, people have strong opinions about every single thing. You post an analysis, there's always going to be someone out there telling you, this is wrong, it's going to do this, it's going to do that. It's annoying. I've left so many communities on Instagram, Telegram because of that. Everyone is just coming with these strong opinions on why they think this is gonna happen. And if you tell them, hey, show me your track record, they can't even show you anything because they're not making money, they're not profitable. But they feel the need, they think you just know things. But at the end of the day, it is your money. Treat it how you want. You need to be very confident. It's your money, not theirs. You don't have to listen to them. So listen to yourself, learn to trust your gut, and when you finally trust your gut, you need to build that wall around you, that helps you to be focused. If you have to leave these groups, leave them temporarily until you're confident in yourself. Then you can join them back, just to get some opinions. But as of now, you gotta be confident in your own strategy if you want to be profitable. You cannot make money if you're listening to other people's opinion. It's just not possible.